It's their right to be protected. If you don't believe it, best be coming to your senses. No, I keep a list too, but this one's to get my vengeance. I'm just here to spread joy and equal liberation. So don't you dare restrict freedom of information. One day I guarantee these printed guns will save them. My little helpers got plastic carves in the making. Don't follow these rules.
310, 311,
keep a check on the powerful.
333, 334.
You don't have the grounds.
Nice job.
I'm bringing you plans. All you need is to print. Go and get you some nice filaments. Layer by layer, get eggnog to drink.
Nice job, Kimberly. 36, 37, 55. Nice.
Give them all the means.
Women's winner.
Spread the word. It's in 3D.
520.
Krampus on his way for Christmas.
Nice job.
Krampus on his way for Christmas.
627. Nice.
Freedom, I lead him in an instant.
Got like a 603? Something like that, yeah.
I've been running them off.
Yeah, dude.
I'm a corporate accountant now. I'm not built for this anymore.
Tommy, Donna, class of 2017.
All right.
Got out kicked.
I got you. I got you.
Ian came prepared.
I'm Lauren Wallace. I'm class of 2021. We're out here in There's Energy and decided to just go for it a little bit. So yeah, 512, 513. I'm really happy to be out here with all these alumni.
Austin Taylor, 2010. All good. First time I've started training in a long time. Thanks for getting me motivated. We went out a little fast.
Kimberly Muldowney, class of 2021.
How'd you feel about the race?
You know, it was good. Haven't done some fast work in a while, but it was fun. Great.
You came in telling us that you were going to try to break 6 minutes.
Yep. I clocked it at 5:29. I'm happy. I'd rather have kind of like lowballed it and then Christmas.
Joel, it's been revealed that you cheated in the race.
Deny it categorically. That was Justin. That was Justin who said that.
We're going to be doing a full investigation.
Knowledge is the fruit they call forbidden.